Hello friends, welcome to DUDR Academy. This video is the continuation of the discussion of the previous year questions of Kerala MSc Nursing Entrance Examination. So question number 76, normal blood urea level is options 10 to 20 milligram per deciliter, 10 to 20 gram per deciliter, 20 to 40 milligram per deciliter, 20 to 40 gram per deciliter. The correct answer is option C, 20 to 40 milligram per deciliter. Question number 77. Percentage of active drug substances absorbed and available to reach the target tissues is termed as options therapeutic value, bioavailability, biologic half-life, plasma level profile. The correct answer is option B, bioavailability. The percentage of active drug substances absorbed and available to reach the target tissues is termed as bioavailability. Next question. The most important roles of a nurse while administering calcium gluconate injection are the following except options administer the drug as slow as IV injection, monitor apical heart rate, ensure the patency of IV line, take measures to prevent falls. The correct answer is option D, take measures to prevent falls. So the most important roles of the nurse while administering calcium gluconate injection are all of this following except take measures to prevent falls. Question number 79. Beta adrenoreceptor agonist has slow onset of action and not indicated in the treatment of acute asthma symptom is options salmeterol, albuterol, epinephrine, terbutaline. The correct answer is option A, salmeterol. Question number 80. The mechanism of action of captopril is options calcium channel blocker, ACE inhibitor, angiotensin receptor antagonist, aldosterone receptor antagonist. The correct answer is option B, ACE inhibitor. Question number 81. Which among the following is an example of macrolide antibiotic? Options amikacin, ampicillin, piperacillin, azithromycin. Answer is option D, azithromycin. Azithromycin is an example of macrolide antibiotic. Question number 82. Drug of choice for anaphylactic reaction. Options terbutaline, aminophylline, adrenaline, atropine. Answer is option C, adrenaline. Adrenaline is the drug of choice for anaphylactic reaction. Question number 83. Nursing interventions for a patient receiving loop diuretic such as furosemide are the following except options monitor weight and intake output chart, monitor for hypokalemia, monitor for hyperkalemia, monitor for hypocalcemia. Correct answer is option C, monitor for hyperkalemia. Question number 84. Randomization, control and manipulation are the characteristics of options true experimental designs, quasi-experimental designs, pre-experimental designs, non-experimental designs. The correct answer is option A, true experimental designs. Randomization, control and manipulation are the characteristics of true experimental designs. Then question number 85. The statement of relationship between two or more variables is options objective, operational definition, research design, hypothesis. The correct answer is option D, hypothesis. Hypothesis is the statement of relationship between two or more variables. Question number 86. The mnemonic SMART is applicable to options research question, research objective, research design, research approach. The correct answer is Option B, research objective. The mnemonic SMART is applicable to research objective. Question number 87. Which among the following is a measure of central tendency? Options: standard deviation, quartile deviation, range, median. The correct answer is option D, median. Median is a measure of central tendency. Question number 88. Which among the following is an example of probability sampling? Options: cluster sampling, quota sampling, snowball sampling, purposive sampling. The correct answer is option A, cluster sampling. Cluster sampling is an example of probability sampling. Question number 89. Body weight in kilograms is an example of. Options: discrete variable, continuous variable, qualitative variable, dichotomous variable. Correct answer is option B, continuous variable. Body weight in kilograms is an example of continuous variable. Question number 90. The Panchayati Raj agency at the block level is. Options: Grama Panchayat, Nyaya Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti, Sila Parishad. The correct answer is option C, Panchayat Samiti. Question number 91. Cost related to treatment such as cost of medical treatment and nursing service is termed as. Direct cost, indirect cost, intangible cost, fixed cost. The correct answer is option A, direct cost. The cost related to the treatment or medical treatment and nursing service is considered as direct cost. Then question number 92. The attainment by all peoples of the highest level of health is the objective of. Options: WHO, UNICEF, UNESCO, USAID. The correct answer is option A, WHO. So WHO, the objective of WHO is attainment of highest level of health by all people. Then question number 93. As per the new recommendation of 2016 daily dose regimen, the duration of intensive phase treatment for drug sensitive new tuberculosis cases is. Options: 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks. Correct answer is option C, 8 weeks. So as per the new recommendation of 2000 daily dose regimen, 8 weeks is the duration of intensive phase treatment for drug sensitive new tuberculosis cases. Then question number 94. The leprosy screening program of Government of Kerala is. Options: Ardram, Ashwamedham, Arogya Keralam, Mission Indradhanush. The correct answer is option B, Ashwamedham. So the leprosy screening program of Government of Kerala is Ashwamedham. Question number 95. The route of administration of fractional dose of inactivated poliovirus vaccine. The route of administration of fractional dose of inactivated poliovirus vaccine. Options: oral, subcutaneous, intramuscular, intradermal. The correct answer is option D, intradermal. So the route of administration of fractional dose of inactivated poliovirus vaccine is intradermal. Question number 96. The most heat sensitive vaccine. Options: OPV, BCG, pentavalent, measles. The correct answer is OPV. That is option A, OPV is the most heat sensitive vaccine. Then question number 97. Phase of disaster management designed to prevent hazards from causing emergency or to lessen the effect of emergencies is. Options: response, rehabilitation, reconstruction, mitigation. The correct answer is option D, mitigation. So mitigation is a phase of disaster management that is to prevent hazards from causing emergency or to lessen the effect of emergencies. Then question number 98. As a community health nurse, the advice that you will give to a man who had undergone vasectomy include all the following except. Options: no need to use contraceptives after the operation, wear T bandages for 15 days, avoid bath at least 24 hours, avoid cycling or lifting heavy weight for 15 days. The correct answer is option A. No need to use contraceptives after the operation. Then question number 99. The helpline number to report in case of child abuse. Options: 1070, 1098, 1090, 1091. The correct answer is option B, 1098. So the helpline number to report in case of child abuse is 1098. Then question number 100. The criteria for sanitary well include all the following except. Options: should be located 6 meters away from the source of contamination, should have a lining built of bricks or stones to a depth of at least 6 meters, should have a cement concrete platform of 1 meter, should be equipped with a hand pump. The correct answer is option A, that is should be located 6 meters away from the source of contamination. So the criteria for sanitary well include all this except that it should be located 6 meters away from the source of contamination. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you like this video. Also share this to your friends.